Hi everyone, today I'm going to fix rock chips on the body of my Ford Escape, which I restored not too long ago. After repainting the bumper and fender, the car started to look almost perfect, but if you look closely, you can see small stone chips on the hood, roof and other panels. Before buying the car, I understood that there would be plenty of these chips on the body, since the insurance company pointed them all out in the photos. Of course, it doesn't make sense to repaint the entire panel because of such small defects, so I decided to carefully touch them up with paint. In this video, I'll be doing all the work only on the hood, since it has the biggest chips and they are the most noticeable. I'll fix chips on the other panels using the same method. After pulling the car into the garage, I take 2000 grit sandpaper and, using water, carefully level the edges of the chips. Don't press too hard so you don't sand through the clear coat and end up repainting the whole panel. From previous paint jobs, I still had some 2K clear coat and color-matched paint that was pre-filled into a spray can. Next, I mix the hardener with the clear coat in a 2:1 ratio and then add that mixture to the paint in the same proportion. After degreasing the surface, you can use a toothpick or a small brush to carefully fill the chip. I gently apply a small amount of paint right into the center of the chip, trying not to go beyond its edges. Keep in mind that paint tends to shrink, so it's a good idea to repeat the process after a couple of minutes. I tried to slightly overfill the chip, so that after the material shrinks, there wouldn't be a dip left. Next, I wait a couple of hours for the clear coat with hardener to dry, so I can polish the repaired areas. Ideally, it's better to wait a few days. I decided to continue the next day after the clear coat had fully cured. Now I need to level the paint that sits above the surface. For this, I use a sanding block and 2000 grit sandpaper. With a bit of water, I carefully sand off the excess paint without cutting into the surrounding clear coat. In my case, because the chip was deep, the shrinkage was greater than I expected and a slight dip remained. In this situation, it would be better to apply another layer of paint mixed with clear coat, but since I used up all the leftover paint, I had to continue as is. Next, I use 3000 grit Trizact and go over the chip, slightly extending beyond the repair area. This will make polishing easier afterward. Then I use a bit of polishing compound and a black pad to polish the repaired area. This is what the final result looks like. It's a shame I didn't have any paint left to do another pass, but it still looks much better than before. And this is how the hood looks outside in natural light. The main thing is that I didn't have to repaint the panel and the damage is no longer noticeable. That's it for now. See you soon.